How to uninstall Microsoft 365. No longer need Microsoft 365 or doing a fresh install. Here's how to clean the way to uninstall it from your device. Open your device and then simply hold on the Microsoft 365 Copilot. Here you can see scan new documents. Simply tap on uninstall and then tap on in OK for confirmation. To uninstall on laptop or Windows, open the control panel and go to Program and Features. Step 2. Scroll through the list and find Microsoft 365. Right click on it and select uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete removal. Restart your PC to finish the process. Pro tip: use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to clear for cleaner uninstall if needed.